Sometimes you just want to plow off the pond so the kid can have a little fun. Sometimes that doesn't work out so well. I'll be the first one to say it. You can't park there. Johnny never quits. Well, I must say, one of the most important lessons that I probably learned today is that it doesn't matter if it's the dead of winter. Pond bottom is really stinky, and now my shop stinks like nasty muck at the bottom of a pond. But even more importantly, when your son goes off the road and slides into the ditch and you take a couple videos and, put it on Facebook and say, hey, you can't park there, he's going to get you back when you put your tractor into the pond. He's going to put that on Facebook and say, you can't park there. And he did. He beat me to it. If you can't make fun of yourself, who can you make fun of?